Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hello viewers, and today we are reviewing the Kiitab collection, and this is like a version of the Quran that's like for children, and we got this for about £130, I think. It was on deal, and we managed to get it right now. So if you read this, in this collection, this has a bunch of technology and stuff that will help me learn the Quran a bit more faster. And first, here we have this pen, which helps you like navigate yourself through the books, and it has like a voice that tells you everything you like need to do. So yeah, and has some buttons. This pen also is able to interact with the books, and I'll show you later on how that works. So now let's move on to this. This is like a dua flashcard, and it helps me learn different duas, each flashcard, and it helps me like pronounce all of them properly and how to save them a lot. So yeah, and you can use the Kiitab pen on this as well. As I said before, it's like interactive. So yeah, I'm just gonna place this down here next to the pen. So this is the first stage of learning the Arabic alphabet, and it helps me understand and just be able to pronounce the surahs more easily if I did learn this. And again, the pen is interactable with the book, and there's like pages, and it comes with games to like have like some like fun with the whole thing, and you can use the pen to like make it work. So this is the second stage, and this is the Jazamma. It helps me become more fluent with the language, and I can pronounce the words a bit more easily. So let me just put this here. Here, this is the Interactable Alphabet Map, and it comes with two maps. On the back, it'll show one with the normal English language, and then another one with the Arabic language, so you can like compare both and get to understand it a bit more. So yeah, and it's also interactable with the pen. Here are 3 buttons where you can interact with the pen, and it'll do things, and yeah. Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna have a burger after this, but anyway, the final thing in the box are these big flashcards, and here they say what they're about. So first is getting dressed and ready for some occasions, and getting dressed and ready for the duas, and then sleeping and waking up duas, and then leaving and returning home and those duas, and then more for like morning and evening, and then entering and exiting the toilets, and then finally before and after eating. So I'm just going to put this here. This is the box. So I'm just going to put this here. So finally, I was all this. So now I have my trusty scissors here. I'm going to now open up everything. This is to help me pray on time, and get on the schedule and find a way all the times I need to pray, and it'll help me a lot because I don't pray like all the time, but now I think I will be able to do it. Satisfying, and I can't wait to do this with all the other stuff that I have to open. So here, it's unwrapped. The Kiitab pen. So now I'm going to open it.
First, Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
So this here is the Kiitab pen. I'm going to put this out. And here it is out of the box. It feels really good. It doesn't feel cheap at all. And yeah, has these 3 buttons here. I'm guessing this is just a way to navigate, and this is the power button, and I'm guessing this will be the speaker and where the voice will come out. So now I'm going to just put this here, and it comes with an extra wire for a charger, if you see that. So yeah, I think this is it for the Kiitab pen. I've unboxed this. Inside there will be so now I have these cards and stuff, and this inside there will be this colourful chart, and it gives me all the times I need to pray. So before eating one, this will be really helpful. Entering the next thing in the toilet. So now I'm going to move on. Getting dressed. And then leaving and returning home, and then morning and evening, and then sleeping and waking up in the morning. So these will help me to learn a lot of du'as, and I'm very grateful for I have here. So now I'm going to put this on the side. So now I have the Jizumma, and inside there's all of this. So yeah, we have a part where we can write our name, and it has all these, I guess, game type of things. Really nice. This is the to learn Arabic alphabet, and and this will be great for starting this, like my sister, and yeah. So what to say when Fandua card. So if we just open this, it will show the cards, and so I'm just going to carefully get these out. So first, this is the type of stuff that they'll now be giving. So now we have the Arabic alphabet map. So now let's just open this. So now, yeah, you know what this looks. So as you can see, it's just simple. It's double-sided. So on this side, and then it's the English language. We have the prayer cards, and now on the other
which
side,
will help me to pray,
as
as
I
I
explained
alphabet.
before, and it will be really easy to learn because I'll
as
just
you can
have it
see,
on
there's
my wall next
plenty
to me,
of cards in there,
and I can just revise all the time using this. So there's instructions here, which is really helpful, and there's contents and sequences. So yeah, and here we have Fajr, Duha, Azhar, Maghrib, and Isha. Okay, so now I'm going to test out. These cards will help me to pray in step by step.
Welcome to Kiitab.
These cards, they'll also help
That's
me.
the voice.
So yeah, this will be really fun to learn
and see how it works.
And yeah, I think that's all of the things that. So here we have the Arabic alphabet. Let's just test.
ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء دال ذال.
So now I'm going to demonstrate how the games work. And so first is the timing game.
لام
Welcome to the Time Me game. Touch anywhere on the alphabet. Can you say the alphabet before the time runs out?
ياء.
And then we have the
that's a
find
quick
me game.
demonstration
On how
Welcome
this
to the
works,
Find Me
and
game.
you can see
Where is
that there is
There.
a voice in the wood, and then finally this is the last game.
Welcome to the Tell Me game. Touch the letters of the Arabic alphabet to hear how they sound. Repeat the sound yourself until you get it just right.
So that's the demonstration. Right, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video review, and if you need help with any of your Arabic, I definitely recommend buying this bundle. It's really amazing, and it was on deal, and
Assalamu
this is
alaikum viewers.
really fantastic work on the
And
technology.
make sure to do dua for me.
And yeah, and
আসসালামু
I
আলাইকুম
managed to
মাই
get
লাভলি
this
ভিউয়ার্স। তো
after my
এতক্ষণ
sister
আমার
found it
ছেলের
online,
কাছ
and
থেকে আপনারা
she
শুনতে
managed to
পারলেন
persuade my mom
এই
to buy it.
লার্নিং
So
রুট
we can finally
বুকটার
help me with
রিভিউ। আর
my
এটা আমি
Arabic.
কিনেছি
So,
175
yeah.
ছিল, সেল
I'm
থেকে
going to pass it on to
135-এ কিনেছি। তো এটা আপনাদের সাথে শেয়ার করলাম, আপনারাও চাইলে সেল থেকে কিনতে পারবেন। আর কেমন হলো, এ ধরনের গিফট বাচ্চাদের আসলে অনেক উপকারে আসবে, এজন্য আমি এটা বাই করে দিয়েছি। তো আমার এই ভিডিওটা কেমন হয়েছে সবাই একটা সুন্দর কমেন্ট করে আমাকে জানাবেন। তো সবাই ভালো থাকুন। আসসালামু আলাইকুম, আল্লাহ হাফেজ, জাযাকাল্লাহ খায়ের।